Hey, how are you doing? If you don't know me, my name's Emeka, and from Canada, living down here in Mexico. Well, it's a kind of a cloudy day here in Mexico. I don't know if you can kind of see the clouds here. Oh, there's the Mexican police. I don't know if you saw them. The federales. But it's about, what time is it here? Shit, there they are, making noise. It's 11:30. And I'm just waiting for some installation guys to come here to, we're just getting another air conditioner for the house. But I wanted to, a lot of questions have been coming up about how did I create my freedom? How did I build, you know, my income? I'm not rich by any means. Like, I drive a Maserati. Okay, you can see the tail end of my car right there. Okay, it's not a Maserati, it's a Maserati. And you know, but I'm just somebody who's been working my tail off for the last 2 years almost with this crazy thing called Kindle publishing and self-publishing, right? Because it's more than Kindle publishing. But here's what actually matters: is I created a program that has proven to replicate, duplicate, and improve results from anybody who follows it. And I ain't here to sell you the program today. I've done enough videos on that. But the important thing is this, that when people follow it, they get results. You know, my whole thing is just trying to help you make your first $1,000. If I can help you make your first $1,000 online, everything will change for you. And it's not because $1,000 is a lot of money, but mentally, when you've made that first 1,000, everything changes inside your head. Because once you make that 1,000, you can make 10,000, you can make 100,000, you can make 1,000,000. But making that first 1,000 is the hardest. Some people say making that first dollar is the hardest and most important. No, a monkey can make $1 online by pressing a few buttons. Making $1,000 takes effort, it takes skill, it takes trial and error, it takes a blueprint. And that's what I wanted to tell you today. I have a course. I charge, what, $297, $397, you know, $300 for this course. And like I said, I don't want you to get the course today if you're not ready. Maybe you're just meeting me for the first time or whatever the case is, right? It's all good. We don't have an established relationship. And I understand not everybody has $300 to spend. Maybe you know, maybe you're a little tight on money like I was, you know, and you only have a couple bucks to spend, whatever the case is. But here, I came out with what's called the self-publishing blueprint. And this is exactly what I use step by step to make that first $1,000 online. But it wasn't just me. Hundreds and hundreds, maybe we're even at thousands of people now, have been able to take the same methods that are in this book and get the same type, if not better results than I got when I first created it. And that's what's important here, because, you know, Kindle publishing it's a simple process. You go on Amazon, you look at the books that are selling well, you figure out what keywords, what do people, when they want information for this book, what are they typing in? And then you go to a writing company or a freelancer and you have them, hey, I want you to write me a book about smoothies. Okay? And then you take that and you get a $5 cover done. Okay? And then you put that up on Amazon. And people go onto Amazon and they buy the book and Amazon pays your royalty for it. That's essentially what I do, what I've been teaching people to do. And this book will show you literally step by step exactly what you have to do in order to succeed to your first $1,000. Step by step. Let's see, I'm trying to hold the camera. I don't want to drop the camera here, but you know, I'll show you the table of contents. Is there a table of contents? There is a table of contents. All right. So we'll take a look at a whole bunch of different things inside here, like how to rank your book, or you know what I call how to stack your keywords. Did you know that this concept right here, this one concept, I'm going to show you, this one concept right here on page 62, there's only a little booklet, page 62, how to stack your keywords, is one of the top, if not the #1 reason most self-publishers don't make money on Amazon after a few months. Their book dies off. By just understanding that concept alone, this is worth $20, $30, $40, $50, probably hundreds. But the best part of it, completely free. Completely free. I just cover the shipping, okay? I've printed it, I've paid for the book, okay? I will ship this to you completely free of the cost of the book. I think shipping's only a few bucks anyways, if you're in the States, right? If you're not in the States, there's an ebook version, it's $5. Okay, ebook version is $5 if you want that. You know, if you want the physical book and you're like in Russia, well, it might just take a while. It's still only gonna cost you the same as somebody in the States ordering the book, though. I absorb those type of costs for you. So I just don't want money to be an issue. I don't want money to be an issue of why people don't succeed online with Kindle publishing. It has literally changed my life, my family's life. You know, my wife, she's just a doctor's appointment. We got a baby coming up here in a few weeks. Second baby. We already got a little two-year-old monster running around the house. Love her. More energy than God's. That's why I go to the gym every single day now to keep up. But, you know, my wife she goes to doctor appointment, we pay for it, we don't worry about it. Money is, like I said, we're not rich, but money is not the same type of issue it was 2 years ago, a year ago. And that's really, it all started with this Kindle publishing journey. So anyways, I got the flies attacking me here, so I gotta go get some bug spray. But yeah, you want to learn more, connect with me, theblueprintbooklet.com. You can check it out. And you know, I got a free Facebook group that you can also join once you get this. You'll get a link to my free group. Would love to have you in there, help you do everything you need to do to help you succeed at the highest level possible. All right, reach out to me. Don't be scared. I answer every single comment that is left, and I'm very active in my Facebook groups as well. Wishing you nothing but the best.